So today, I came to the YMCA and we've been creating a music video for my latest single, Monaco.
Oh, the summer came and went, all my friends, they disappeared.
I was struggling to find an idea for this song, and I had a lot of creative brains all around behind the camera, behind the scenes, come up with amazing ideas, and we've been filming it. I've been playing my song over and over 100 times, syncing the music to it, and we've got loads of other ideas as well. We've got like the projectors going, and yeah, it's been an amazing day, and I've learnt a lot as well. I'll definitely come back for more ideas and pinch some ideas from you in the future.
We have been making a music video for... What's your stage name again? Today we have been making a music video for the lovely Mojo. And we've been using like different techniques, different camera angles, different lighting. And we've got the projector out. We've done loads of different things for this one big video.
My name is Swaran, and we have been creating a music video and exploring with cameras. We came in here also not knowing nothing, and we learned how to edit videos, and we learned how to use different types of cameras.
Why do the seasons change?
I would recommend doing it. It's really fun to do, and it's cool to learn about all different kinds of techniques to use for photography, speeding up, time-lapse. It is okay to be scared, because I was quite scared while coming into the course, because I didn't know a lot and I thought everyone would know more than me. But I recommend doing it. It's really good to do, and it boosts your confidence a lot.
I would definitely recommend it to anyone that doesn't normally do stuff like this with cameras and photography and stuff like that, really. It's definitely enjoyable.
Where